yan, nasa loob na kami ng downtown. Inside the downtown Calgary. Wala masyadong tao kasi nga Sabado. So, yan. Pasyal-pasyal lang. Tapos may pupuntahan natin yung Peace Bridge. Popular bridge dito sa Calgary. Downtown Calgary. Okay, kami naglalakad na punta ng Peace Bridge yan. So, andito pa rin kami sa downtown area. And the kids. So, yan. Ito yung Peace Bridge siya dito sa Calgary. Downtown Calgary. Yan yung downtown. Yan. Building. So, ito ay Peace Bridge siya. To accommodate daw yung people na crossing across the Bow River. Galing dito sa kabilang community to downtown. Yan. So, malapit tayo. Yan, medyo malapit na kami. So, na sila Pepper dyan. Gonna go enter the bridge na. Ang Peace Bridge yan. Haba niya, tas ito yung Bow River. Yan. Pag winter, frozen to. Yan, ito na yan. Yan na sila. Look at this bridge. Yan, kuhanan ko na lang yung sarili ko kasi walang kumukuha. So anyways, nasa loob na kami ng Peace Bridge. And syempre yan. Yan siya.
The river is so
Let's
calm.
see the river yan. Ito yung Bow River. So ito yung dito to accommodate people na nagko-cross dito sa Bow River puntang
The other side of the...
other side, puntang downtown yan. Kensington, I think Kensington, yeah.
Nice weather din.
Yeah.
Napaka
Hindi masyadong mainit, pero
malamig.
hindi rin malamig, kaya masarap maglakad. Yan, may tatlong bibi kaming nakita. Ay, marami pala. Yan, papasarap sila nakatambay doon.
Nagsasunbathing. Sunbathing na walang sun.
Nagsasunbathing sila, ayan. Dami pala, yan, may mga naliligo pa. Yan, downtown.
Goose pala.
Oh, goose pa yan?
Kiss.
Kiss of goose.
Goose pag isa.
Yan, dami rin. Ang tawag dyan? Canoeing? Altwin? Are they? Rafting, canoeing, yeah. Ganda kasi ng weather. That one, yeah, the blue one, right?
Yeah, doing this around the city with flat.
Yan sila. Okay, yan. So, uwi ang time na. Tapos na namin explore ang downtown. Yeah, uwi na kami. Thank you for watching. See you in the next vlog. Bye-bye.
Bye! Don't forget to
Subscribe. Likes
and comments below. Thank you.
And share.
Love you. Happy Father's Day.
Yep.
Advance.
Thank you.